Good morning, baddies. 6:30 a.m. and I'm getting ready for a shoot way too early because I hate rushing. Lumify eye drops are heaven sent for shoot days. I have two, one in the morning and one at 3. I already got my Dutch bros, so that's why I actually have energy right now. I woke up at like 4 fucking a.m. Whenever I take melatonin, I wake up in the middle of the night and it's so annoying. I think I need to stop taking it. So I was just like, okay, I'm gonna get up now and take my sweet time getting ready. I've been keeping my shoot makeup a little bit more on the natural side. First shoot I'm doing is like supposed to be like very me vibes, so we glamming today. I think we're just gonna do like my signature smoky wing here. I need this to not be super creasy, so we're powdering her down. Sometimes I do it, sometimes I don't. Depends on the day and what I feel like. This is probably the one and only time I'm gonna have rollers in at 6:45 in the morning. Could wait like a whole nother hour before getting ready, but I say that and then I dilly-dally and I'm all of a sudden late. Actually forgot I had the second shoot. I thought it was like the 6th yesterday. Wrong. Well, it was the 6th yesterday, but I thought it'd be today. Anyways, like a makeup shoot booked at like 11 and I just had booked this shoot in the morning. I messaged the girl and I was like, can we move it to later? And luckily she fucked up too. So we got to move the date and I'm still doing that shoot because the Estee Lauder global artist, and I'm so excited for that. Love doing my makeup with the camera now because I can see how it like translate in photography, and it actually does help me. These wings a little too long. I'm having too much fun this morning. Burning the fuck up in this robe. I love it, but I have to wear it like literally naked or I'm gonna die. Jake Shane shirt on. Went with my friend Kendall to his show and I loved it. In Dallas, so it was like the first show of his tour. He was so nervous, you could tell, but I was giggling my ass off. We love the girls and the gays around here. I'm a massive Trisha Paytas stan. Watch every episode of the podcast that comes out, and it's my dream to be on it one day. Manifesting that shit. I'm really hoping her next baby's a boy, but I also feel like she's so like all girl mom coded, but we'll see. I'm excited to see what she's gonna name that freaking thing. Eyes like giving out. My vision's blurry. I haven't done shit to it. Oh my god. Lighting bars from LumiCube. It's what I use to do makeup. Shit is bright, okay? But the lighting in these videos is accurate. Picked up my skin last night. I always do that the night before a shoot. What is wrong with me? These are definitely dramatic, but who's mad about that? This shit to stick, so we bring in the glue out. Okay. I don't know if you've ever tried putting makeup on or on rollers, but that is an Olympic sport, okay? It is not as easy as it looks. I don't know how people got ready for real with the full head. It is my worst nightmare. Placed my Sephora sale order last night, and I'll give you a haul. Got a lot of hair products in it because I went crazy the other day. Using my Danessa skin tint. Ooh, where'd it go? Ooh, okay. We are not gonna do that actually. Patrick Tall foundation and like kind of mix what's left in there, hopefully. Oh yeah, there we go, girl. One layer of self-tanner on and think she's tmwr. Our soft matte will make the rest of these blemishes disappear. Go lighter on the contour today. No, I'm not. This cheekbone is so much more snatched than this cheekbone. I can't figure out why. I have to leave in exactly an hour, so I am absolutely slaying on time. I want to look like a filter in these photos, so I'm keeping this pretty matte. What is wet on this brush? The fuck? I have an abnormally small forehead. I don't know. It's not a bad problem to have, but it's just kind of different. Oh, should I leave it like this or add a dark waterline? I'm gonna do it because I low-key want to look like intense and mean. Okay, I'm glad I did. I love this Huda spray because it dries matte and doesn't fuck with the finish of everything. I feel like it still like melts the products together. My god, this blowout, wow. I'm gonna put my lip gloss on when I get there, but I think I fucking ate down. If you want to see the results of the shoot, follow my Instagram, Miss Mallory Workman. I'm gonna try to make some behind the scenes vlog, day in the life situation. We'll see how that goes. Thanks for watching me yap. Love you. Bye, bitches.